Tiago's Tips. Welcome back to Tiago's Tips. Today we're making French toast. These are the ingredients that you need: milk, eggs, flour, bread, vanilla extract, cinnamon, syrup, butter. First we crack 4 eggs. That's 1. Now we add 2 cups of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you mix it all together. Now we mix the dry ingredients. 1/4 cup of flour. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You could use white sugar too, if you want, but I'm using the brown sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we whisk it together. Now we mix the wet and dry ingredients. Whisk it all together. For this recipe, I'm using French brioche bread. But you can use any bread you like. Now we dip the bread in the bag. Add the butter to the pan. These babies look delicious. You can put any toppings you want. You can put blueberries, strawberries. You can even put raspberries. You can put blackberries. Any fruit you want. You can put whipped cream. Now enjoy. Let me know if you try this recipe at home. Thank you all for watching. Adios, amigos. Mwah.